Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive on PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to prevent anyone with link from editing your Google Drive file without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm going to use a particular file as an example. It can be DOC, it can be Google Sheet, it can be PDF or image as the case may be, just for you to prevent people from tampering with the file. So what you need to do is to go ahead and select the file. So I'm going to use this particular PDF as an example. Once you select the file, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on share. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon right here. Make sure you check this. So it's going to take you right here. Allow editor to change permission and share. Go ahead and check on this. Just like so. Now, editor added to prevent folder will be able to change permission by sharing the parents folder. Then come down below right here, go ahead and click on check on editor as well. And just like so, you have unchecked all the box right here. Go back right here and come down below right here. Make sure you choose viewer alone. Once you are done, go ahead and click on OK right here. And you are done. It's that simple. With that, if anyone have access to the link, they won't be able to edit, they won't be able to comment, they will only have access to fill the file. It's that simple in your Google Drive. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.